Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 31. On this page, children, you are going to read, match and write the sentences. Look at this, children. The girl is jumping. Listen again, children. This is the girl is jumping. The man is driving. The dog is hopping. The girl is crying. Children, the dog is hopping sentence is matched with the picture. The dog is hopping. Likewise, you have to match all the sentences with the pictures. This is the girl is jumping. Children, you have to match this picture. The girl is jumping with this picture in the girl is jumping with a straight line. The man is driving. Children, you have to match this sentence with this picture. The man is driving. The girl is crying. Children, you have to match this sentence. The girl is crying with this picture. After matching the sentences, children, now you have to write these sentences. This is the girl is jumping. Children, you have to write the sentence. The girl is jumping on this line by yourself. The man is driving. Children, you have to write the sentence. The man is driving on this line by yourself. The dog is hopping. Children, you have to write the sentence. The dog is hopping on this line by yourself. The girl is crying. Children, you have to write the sentence. The girl is crying on this line by yourself. Let's read all the sentences of this page, children. The girl is jumping. The man is driving. The dog is hopping. The girl is crying. This was our page number 31. And this is page number 32. On this page, children, you are going to read and write the sentence. Look at this, children. The cat is jumping. Listen again, children. The cat is jumping. Listen one more time, children. The cat is jumping. Look at this, children. The dog is hopping. Listen again, children. The dog is hopping. Listen one more time, children. The dog is hopping. Now say with me, children, the dog is hopping. Say again, children, the dog is hopping. Children, now you have to write the sentence, the dog is hopping on this line for yourself. Look at this, children, the doctor is laughing. Listen again, children, the doctor is laughing. Listen one more time, children, the doctor is laughing. Now say with me, children, the doctor is laughing. Say again, children, the doctor is laughing. Children, now you have to write the sentence, the doctor is laughing on these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children, the girl is crying. Listen again, children, the girl is crying. Listen one more time, children, the girl is crying. Now say with me, children, the girl is crying. Say again, children, the girl is crying. Children, now you have to write the sentence, the girl is crying in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write a sentence, the girl is crying. Look at this, children, the man is driving. Listen again, children, the man is driving. Listen one more time, children, the man is driving. Now say with me, children, the man is driving. Say again, children, the man is driving. Children, now you have to write the sentence, the man is driving in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write a sentence, the man is driving. Look at this, children, the girl is drawing. Listen again, children, the girl is drawing. Listen one more time, children, the girl is drawing. Now say with me, children, the girl is drawing. Say again, children, the girl is drawing. Children, now you have to write the sentence, the girl is drawing in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write a sentence, the girl is drawing. Let's read all the sentences of this page, children. The cat is jumping. The dog is hopping. The doctor is laughing. The girl is crying. The man is driving. The girl is drawing.